bacio come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everyone, it's Ross here from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursdays.
Perfect. So today we're going to be testing some flavored beers, getting ready for summer. Just throwing out some different options for people. We're going to do a couple taste tests and see how we like them.
This first one is a Pump House Blueberry Ale. Seems that all the breweries are coming out right now in summer with flavored beers, so this is the first one, Blueberry.
It's not like apple or blueberry pie. It's very like light.
Yeah, very subtle.
Blueberry, but it has a scent of blueberry.
More than flavor.
But still a bit of citrus on it.
I would say that it's pretty subtle, so it's not bad. I don't think you'd want to sit down the whole afternoon and drink those, but one out of the fridge probably isn't bad.
Next one's going to be Leinenkugel's Lemon Shandy.
Lemon Shandy has been around for a long time, and this one is, I think, made in Wisconsin. And so it's available, all of these are available in most of the beer and wine stores here in the city. So, Lemon Shandy. As soon as you go to drink it, you can smell the lemon. That's not even as strong as the blueberry.
No, that's really good.
It's a pretty refreshing taste. Definitely you can taste the lemon in it, but not overpowering.
No.
Like, you know when you squeeze like lime or lemon into it, it's
good.
about like that.
Yeah.
So it's actually
light lemon, not overpowering.
The next one that we're going to try is fairly new out. Bud Light Orange.
Bud Light Orange.
Orange is often put with wheat beers, like Shock Top or what's the other one that you drink?
Blue Moon.
Blue Moon. And this is out. I think it's new this year, and it's out in all of the stores. So. You know what? Don't let the can fool you. Like, you think it's going to be like Fanta or Orange Crush or something like that. It's not that orange, but
it's a little like
it's more flavored than these ones though. Like, these ones are more subtle. That one's definitely orange.
That one is you're drinking an orange beer.
Mm-hmm.
So,
and maybe a little too sweet for my liking, but
there you have it. 3 beers. Go test them out if you'd like, and
yeah,
it's good. Cheers.
Cheers.